Hello everyone, this is Navin. Friends, I belong to Jaunpur district, Uttar Pradesh. Friends, in this video today I will tell you how can we speak English, or you can say how can we speak fluent English without any atmosphere. Friends, I live in a village and I don't have any atmosphere like my friends, my parents. They don't know how to speak English. But today I will tell you how can we improve, or how can we be a fluent speaker without any atmosphere. What I followed, I will tell you one by one. Friends, first of all, we know very well English is a language, so we have to get opportunity, at least communication. Without because without communication we can't speak. But here problem is that with whom we can communicate. I mean, if we live in village, so we can't communicate with our parents, we can't communicate with our friends because they don't know. So I will give you a solution. Friends, what you have to do, you have to take any topic every day. Suppose that you take a topic about India. India is our country, very well. So you have to speak every day 5 to 10 minutes a topic. But here is problem, you will say like we don't know how can we speak any topic. Yeah, that's a good question. So friends, like हमने लिया भारत के बारे में बोलने के लिए, तो आपको जो इंग्लिश आता है आप बोलिए, जो नहीं आता है आप हिंदी इंग्लिश मिक्स करके बोलिए. सपोज हम कह सकते हैं इंडिया इज द लार्जेस्ट डेमोक्रेटिक कंट्री. अगर आपको ये नहीं पता है कि लोकतांत्रिक को क्या कहते हैं, डेमोक्रेटिक कहते हैं, तो आप ये कह सकते हैं कि इंडिया इज अ बिग लोकतांत्रिक देश या लोकतांत्रिक कंट्री. अब मतलब मैं कहने का मतलब ये है कि आपको जो वर्ड इंग्लिश आ रहा है उसको आप इंग्लिश बोलिए, और जो वर्ड हिंदी में आ रहा है उसको आप हिंदी इंग्लिश मिक्स करके बोलिए. एटलीस्ट यू हैव टू टेक ट्राई, यू हैव टू टेक अ स्टेप, बिकॉज विदाउट स्टेप यू कांट डू. सो ट्राई टू स्पीक लाउडली एवरी डे 5 to 10 minutes एनी टॉपिक. चाहे आपको आ रहा है या तो आपको कुछ ही वर्ड आ रहे हैं, आप उसको हिंदी इंग्लिश मिक्स करके बोलिए, एटलीस्ट बोलिए. इट्स अ ग्रेट स्टेप यू हैव टू टेक. जो आपको नहीं आ रहा है आप बाद में उसको आप जो है गूगल से ट्रांसलेटर से सर्च करके आप उसको मीनिंग जान सकते हैं. सो एटलीस्ट वी हैव टू स्पीक एवरी डे एनी टॉपिक विच यू फील कंफर्टेबल 5 to 10 minutes. Whether you can speak, whether you know all words, it's okay. If you don't know, so you can speak Hindi and English mix करके. Next step, you can watch any movies. On YouTube there is various platform available where you can find like movies. Many South Indian movies also there. It's dubbed in English. You can. It's easy. You can understand. Whatever you feel comfortable, you can watch movies or comedies. So watch every day 10 to 20 minutes every day. Why? If when you watch, whether you understand or not, चाहे आपको समझ में आए और चाहे आपको समझ में ना आए, फिर भी आपको पर डे 10 से 20 मिनट कोई भी इंग्लिश कंटेंट आपको वॉच करना ही करना है. वाई? व्हेन यू वॉच you will enhance your listening power, you can gain new vocabulary, you can even improve your pronunciation. So every day do 10 to 20 minute watch English content. Next step, you can read 10 to 20 minutes any textbook like any novel or story. If you are beginner, so don't read any complicated book. Take easy English book, story book, any which you feel comfortable. So try to read loudly. Why I am saying loudly? Because when you speak loudly you feel confident, and even you can also learn pronunciation, you can learn new vocab. So speak loudly without hesitation 10 to 20 minutes every day. If you have lack of time, at least 5 minutes, 7 minutes, but every day. Last part is that when you go to sleep at night, so try to take a notebook and pen, and whatever you feel today, how you spent your day, how you enjoy, you try to write down. Here is also question, you will say like we don't know how can, if you know how can I write in English, so why we learn English? Yeah, it's a great question. So whatever you know, you write in English word. If you don't know, so you can search on Google Translator. You try to write. Writing is also play a very vital role, because when you write, so you can give new vocab, and when you want to write, so you have to think your mind. You have to think, why, how can we write? Even many times you stuck, you don't know words, so you can search on Google Translator, dictionary. You can find word and you can write. So friends, believe me, follow all these: speaking, listening, writing, reading, all these. When you have don't any, when you have any partner, try to speak loudly without hesitation. Whether you speak wrong, right, speak every day. Watch everyday English content, whether you understand or not. Read every day, whether you understand meaning or not, but read loudly and write every day. So friends, if you like my suggestion, so please subscribe my channel, and please give your valuable comment. It's my first video. Thanks a lot. I hope it will be informative to you. Thank you. Thanks a lot.